Hey traders, welcome back. Welcome back to FX Limit, where smart trading meets smarter tools. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated yet powerful techniques in Forex trading using trend lines effectively. If you've ever looked at your chart and wondered where the price is headed next, then stick around, because trend lines could be the edge you've been looking for. Now, let's keep it simple. Trend lines are those diagonal lines you draw to connect price highs or lows. An upward trend line connects higher lows in an uptrend, while a downward trend line connects lower highs in a downtrend. But drawing them is just the beginning. The real magic lies in how you use them. First things first, always start by identifying the overall market direction. Zoom out to a higher time frame like H4 or D1. If you notice the price making consistent higher highs and higher lows, it's an uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows, that's your downtrend. This helps filter out noise and keeps you trading with the trend, not against it. Now, when drawing trend lines, make sure you're connecting at least 2 or more points, preferably 3 for confirmation. The more times the price respects the line, the stronger it is. A common mistake is forcing trend lines to fit your bias. Don't do that. Let the market show you the structure. Here's a smart move. Use trend lines as dynamic support and resistance. When price touches a trend line, you watch how it reacts. If it bounces, that's confirmation the trend line is holding. If it breaks, especially with volume, it could signal a trend reversal or at least a pullback. Speaking of breakouts, here's one of my favorite strategies. When price approaches a trend line and starts consolidating, get ready. A breakout is likely coming. If the breakout is in the direction of the prevailing trend, it often leads to a strong continuation move. Just make sure to confirm it with volume or another indicator before jumping in. And this is where tools come in. If you're tired of guessing whether a trend line is still valid, or if you just want something that gives you a bit more confidence, that's where I've been using the Apex Trend Indicator. It automatically highlights when a trend is active with clear visual cues, blue lines for uptrends, orange for downtrends, and backs it up with non-repainting signals. So if I'm drawing my trend lines and the Apex is showing a matching trend signal, that's a high probability trade setup right there. One more advanced tip, combine trend lines with Fibonacci retracements. Draw your trend line, then use the Fib tool from swing low to swing high in an uptrend. If the retracement aligns with a trend line and a key Fib level, like 61.8%, that's a triple confirmation structure, psychology, and technicals all in one. Of course, even the best strategy means nothing without risk management. Always set your stop loss below or above the trend line, giving it enough room to breathe, but not so much that you're risking too much. The Apex Trend Indicator helps here too. It calculates take profit and stop loss levels automatically based on market volatility and support resistance, saving you time and helping you avoid emotional decision making. And here's something I've learned the hard way. Don't get too attached to a trend line. The market evolves. What worked yesterday might not work today. Always reassess and redraw as needed. And yes, sometimes a false breakout will trap you. It happens. The key is to manage your risk and trust your process. So, to wrap it up, trend lines are powerful, but they're even more effective when combined with proper confirmation tools, price action, and solid risk management. Whether you're a price action purist or someone who likes to use advanced indicators, mastering trend lines is non-negotiable if you want to elevate your Forex game. If you want to make this whole process easier and more accurate, check out the Apex Trend Indicator at fxlimit.com. It's like having a second set of eyes on the market, scanning trends, highlighting signals, and helping you execute with confidence. All right, that's all for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to FX Limit for more Forex insights, and let us know in the comments how you use trend lines in your trading. Until next time, keep your trades smart and your charts clean.